Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make exploding popsicles. This easy guide will help you create a fun, fizzy frozen treat that everyone will love. First, gather your ingredients. A carbonated beverage of your choice, such as soda or sparkling water, and some small candies like Pop Rocks for that exciting burst. You will also need popsicle molds and sticks. Now, let's prepare your fizzy mix. Carefully pour your carbonated drink into a measuring cup or bowl. Next, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen small candies, like Pop Rocks, to the liquid. Stir the mixture very gently for just a few seconds. This helps distribute the candies without losing too much of the delightful carbonation. With your fizzy mixture ready, it is time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the liquid into each popsicle mold, leaving a small space at the top. Then, insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Make sure the sticks are straight. Now, transfer your filled molds to the freezer and let them chill for at least 4 to 6 hours or until completely solid. Once your popsicles are completely frozen, it is time for the exciting reveal. Gently remove each popsicle from its mold. You might need to run a little warm water over the outside of the mold for a few seconds to help release them. Now, take a bite and enjoy the delightful fizz and flavor burst of your homemade exploding popsicle. It is a truly fun and refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.